We had heard so much about the Seven Sisters Waterfalls in Grenada that we decided to give it a go. We gathered a group together and hired a taxi to take us there. What you getting? Oh, nutmegs! There's one way above your head, but it's high up.
Oh, nutmegs. There's some up there.
We're going on a hike to go check out the waterfall. Woohoo! We are Chantal and Gary, and this is our home, Maracudja, a Beneteau 423. 2 years ago, we retired early to live our dream. We left our land home in Florida and sailed the Caribbean south to see new horizons. This season 3 and during the COVID pandemic, we find ourselves in Grenada, the Spice Island. So click the subscribe button and follow our journey. If anybody wants to go in front of me, you're welcome to it.
No, you're fine. I'll be here to pick you up.
I don't want you behind me. Oh, is that a frog? That sounds like the animal.
Yes, it's the frog.
So that's not bird of paradise?
No, that's an Aliconia.
It is kind of funny.
I'm gonna watch Lindy go down before I go down.
Not literally, though.
Well, yeah, no, not literally.
Hold up. Oh, you're fine.
It's okay. Quite the shower now. Go, Mary Lou, go! Oh, yeah.
Chantal, jump! Feels good. First time in a long while. We're heading back in the pouring rain. Which hopefully will knock some mosquitoes off of us.
We made it to the top. Taking a leisurely stroll to the beach. How you doing, honey?
Very good, very good. last night. The rolling was like incredible.
Yeah. Yeah, finally it calmed down. It's hopefully tonight will be a good night.
Tropical wave went by.
Yeesh. So we're kayaking and going to the beach up ahead. Today is Sunday, so we call it Sunday Fun Day. Ooh, look at the coral down here. It's actually really pretty. Oh, we're playing downhill.
I know. Oh my god. That was also my first ball with no practice.
Oh, yeah, we should have made you practice first.
I haven't thrown a ball till that one. That's my first throw of the day.
Whoa, no.
Missed it.
He was right there. Get in there. Get in. Oh, man.
Oh man!
Alright, we're gonna get here. See, Gary can show your beautiful outfit here. Look.
YouTube! Rosie, happy birthday! It's your birthday! Mary Lou! Woo! Jeff!
All right, we had a great day today on the beach. We met some fantastic people, locals. They invited us over to a hash next weekend and to their picnic next Sunday too. So we'll see about that. But it was such a nice day, so cool. And we're going back to the boat now, kayaking our way back to the boat before it gets dark. So it's a race. Here's our friend Patrick and Karen are ahead of us. And then behind us, it's Jeff and Mary Lou.
Hopefully.
From, yeah, they're catching up to us, honey, actually.
Are they?
I see them, yeah, they're fast. All right, I'm gonna stop filming so we can paddle. We are going on a hash.
Broken road.
We are going on a hash. This is so exciting. Gary, Patrick, and myself. And Doc is our guide today. Doc, you used to live in the UK, right?
No, U.S.
The US. That's right. That's right. In Brooklyn.
I live in Florida, Virginia. I move around.
And then he retired and came back to Grenada, his home island. We met Doc at the beach during a birthday party, and he invited us to join him on a hash run. So it was with anticipation that we joined in our first hash. Mind you, Doc is 82 years old. He no longer is actively participate in the hash, but he loves to come just to see his friends.
Going up.
Going up, yeah. Yeah, go park. Get some room. Get out of the road.
I don't go up in the hot spring in what's the road?
We're getting ready to leave to go on our hash, and it's like really like a hike through the mountain. So everybody's gathering right now. Cars coming in. Pretty nice view over here. Apparently we're going to Seven Sisters, the river that leads to Seven Sisters. And I guess we're going into the water, which we didn't know, but that's okay. I brought change of clothes. And there we go. It's the start of the hash. We have about, I don't know, maybe 40 people. But I heard that it can get really big. We're losing the people. Back leg is stuck in the rope.
When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze.
Yeah. See if you can do something. Here. Here, you got ketchup. Oh, breadfruit bread ahead. Your waterfall. Oh, we gotta cross the river now. Okay, go to the other side. We gotta cross the river. You ready for this, Patrick? If you haven't figured it out yet, hashes can be quite challenging. Walking and running on pre-arranged trails through farms, forests, and yes, sometimes rivers. This was not an official hash, so the normal hash rules did not apply. And now was not the time to get hurt.
Oh, it's very slippery. Very slippery.
Darling, are you okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying. I'm trying to get there. Oh my God, this is challenging.
Chantel, follow Sherry. She knows what she's doing.
Yeah, right.
What's happening to Patrick back there? Yeah. He's going over to Beaver Dam. Whoa, he's brave, he's brave. Oh, oh. Whoa. All right, that was like the Karate Kid. The rainforest.
You gotta go up that wall. Oh my. I'm gonna wait until we come back, then I'll go in. Oh my. Don't fall, please. Yeah. All right, you made it. That's not easy. Shit. Who's behind me? This is weird. There's another fall. So pretty. Look at this waterfall. My goodness.
Look at that pool sitting.
Swim, jump in the water.
Oh, people jumping in.
Okay.
And now with the soccer ball. Oh, he's good.
Yeah, he is very good.
He's coming in.
Oh, there they come.
Yeah, there he is. There he is. they gotta come down. This is Adelphi Falls.
Oh, okay.
Let me try to make it go.
Don't try, you will do.
Yeah. Still going down. We're not there yet. Oh, this is precarious.
Thank you. Guys did good. You made it. What happened to you? I heard a rock fall or something.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
What happened?
What's that one? What's in front here? I slipped and I hit a rock. Shut up,
right?
fast. No, very fast.
Oh, that's gonna be hurting tomorrow.
At the end of every hash, there is a gathering, music, food, and good fun and games. It's a great way to make friends in the community. There are organized hashes all over the world, and I'll put a link in the video description if you want to know more about hashing. Thank you, Doc. He got us home down the steep, curvy mountain roads at night and in a downpour. Well done. In the next episode, we'll sail back to Carriacou in the company of boat friends and we'll explore the underwater wonders of that island. Make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when a new video is up, and while you're at it, hit the thumbs up button. This lets me know and YouTube that you like our video. Thank you for watching.